Hi, I'm Alex from High Central MLS. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an unbranded YouTube channel that you can use to host your property tour videos in Matrix. First, we'll create an unbranded YouTube channel and upload a video. Then, I'll show you how you can switch between your YouTube channels. This is good to know since after following these steps, you'll probably have more than one channel. I'll also show you how to get back to YouTube and upload another video. Creating a YouTube channel will take between 5 to 10 minutes, and you can use your existing Google account. That means that if you already have a Google account, you won't have to remember a new username and password. When you share property tour videos in Matrix, you want to be sure that the video doesn't include any identifying information. The video shouldn't include your contact information, photo, company name, or logo. And the YouTube channel where you host the video also should not have any kind of identifying information. Before I show you how to create your unbranded YouTube channel, let's take a look at an example of a property tour video. I've got a bunch of search results here that all have property tour videos. I'm going to click on the virtual tour link on one of these listings. Let's take a look at this one. This property tour video is nicely done. It's got really nice photos, and there's some background music too. You can see that from start to finish, the person who uploaded this video didn't include any identifying information in the video. The video title and description also do not include any identifying information. If we click on the link to their YouTube channel, you can see that the channel also does not include any identifying information. There's no way for us to tell who uploaded the video and whose listing this is. And that's kind of what we're aiming for. Alright, let's get started. First thing that we'll want to do is go to youtube.com. We'll click on the sign in button and log in with our existing Google account. Now that we're logged in, we'll click on the icon at the upper right. Then we'll click on Settings. On the center of the settings page, click on Add or Manage your channels. On this next page, you should see your existing channels. Click on the button on the far left that says Create a New Channel. Now it's time to give your YouTube channel a name. Remember that this YouTube channel should be an unbranded account, so we're going to have to give this channel a generic name. I'm going to use Hawaii Property Tour Videos. That's pretty generic. Then click on Create. Alright, so your unbranded YouTube channel has been created. Next, we'll upload a video. To do that, click on the camera icon in the upper right section of the page. From the menu that appears, click on Upload Video. YouTube is showing me a welcome pop-up. I'm going to close that by clicking outside of the pop-up. Then I'm going to click on Select Files. I have to navigate to where my video is located. I saved my video on my desktop, so I'm going to navigate to my desktop and select the video. I don't have any actual property tour videos, so I'm going to use this Matrix Minute video from April. At this point, YouTube is uploading the video. Let's go ahead and name our video. This name has to be generic and unbranded. I'm going to use the property's address as the name. In my case, the property's address is 123 Sesame Street. Then we'll scroll down. Under Audience, YouTube is asking us if this video is made for children. It's not, so I'm going to click on No. Then I'll click on Next. This takes us to the Video Elements screen. This part is optional and I'm going to skip it, so I'll click on Next. Now we have to set our video's visibility. Do we want to make it private, unlisted, or public? We don't want to make it private in this case because private would prevent anyone from seeing the video. You can either use unlisted or public. In this case, I'll click Public and then I'll click on Publish. Depending on the length of your video and your upload speed, you may see that the video is in the process of being uploaded or already done. In my case, the video is very short, so it's already done uploading. I'm going to click on the close button. Our video is ready to go. So we want to get a link to this video and enter it into Matrix as a virtual tour. To do that, we'll place our cursor over the video and we'll click on the three dots located to the right of the thumbnail. Then we'll click on Get Shareable Link. The link is now copied to our clipboard, so we'll be able to paste it into another program, or in our case, Matrix. Let's go back to Matrix and click on Input from the main menu. We'll select the listing that we want to edit. And then we'll click on Manage Virtual Tours. Next, we'll right-click in the text box and click on Paste. And Submit Listing. It's a good idea to make sure that the virtual tour icon displays on your listing. And it's also a good idea to click on the link to make sure that the link or URL was entered properly. At this point, you may have two YouTube channels. Your main channel that you use to watch and browse YouTube videos, and the Unbranded YouTube channel that you just created. To switch between channels, you would click on the icon in the upper right corner and then click on Switch Accounts. You'll see your YouTube account and a list of your YouTube channels. You can click on a channel to switch channels. Later, when you're ready to upload another property tour video, you would go back to YouTube and, if necessary, log in and switch to your Unbranded channel. Then, just like before, you would click on the camera icon and select Upload Video. Basically, you follow the same steps for uploading that we covered earlier in this video. Thanks for watching. We'll be putting out more videos like this, so if you're a High Central MLS subscriber, be sure to subscribe by clicking on the logo above. And if you need any help with Matrix, you can reach us at 791-3789 or email us at techsupport@highcentralmls.com.